What do you think you're doing? Your 30 days aren't up. You still work for us. You lost. No championship. Now get the champ's bag.
Hey. You don't need these. What's wrong with that guy, man?
He's worthless. We just got here to CCW Summer Glory at the Festival Flea Market. I don't know what we're doing in such a dump like this.
Me neither. Easy money.
Yes, easy money. But we're gonna do what we do best. Whether it be singles, tag, we're gonna go out there. We're gonna win and catch checks the way we always do. And there's nothing that you can do about it, but just deal with it. Ready?
Get out of here, man.